Hi, I'm Jamie Harris with Remedy Plumbing. That faint drip you can't quite find? It could be wasting hundreds of gallons of water every month. And it's not just the wasted water. It's what that hidden leak is doing behind your walls or under your floors. Today, I'll show you how to spot a hidden leak before it causes real damage. First thing you want to do is keep an eye on that water bill. If it suddenly spikes and your habits haven't changed, that's usually your first clue something's leaking. Next, you're going to want to listen carefully. So when your house is quiet, stand near toilets, sinks, or walls and listen for a faint hiss or some dripping sounds. Feel for warm or soft spots on the floor. Look for dark patches or bubbling paint on drywall. Those are early signs of a slow leak inside the wall or under the slab. Then you're going to check your water meter. Turn off every faucet, appliance, your sprinkler system. If the meter's still spinning, even slowly, you got a hidden leak. Finally, walk your yard. If you notice soft, muddy areas or grass that's greener in one patch, your irrigation or your main service line may be leaking underground. At Remedy Plumbing, we use sonic and thermal leak detectors to find leaks long before they become visible. A quick inspection today can save you thousands in drywall, flooring, and mold damage later. If you suspect a hidden leak, don't wait. I'm Jamie Harris with Remedy Plumbing, and remember, Dr. Remedy makes house calls.